Hi, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can buy Shiba on Coinbase. So let's get started. Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that provides a safe way to buy, store, trade, and sell your cryptocurrency. It is the best cryptocurrency exchange for you to build your portfolio, earn yield, stay up to date on crypto news, and navigate the crypto market with ease. Whether you're just starting your crypto journey or are a seasoned expert, it supports all popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, and Shiba, as well as many others. It has a quarterly trade volume of 4,400,000 across more than 100 countries, with over 8.9 million verified users. Now let's look at how you can buy Shiba on Coinbase. For this, you need a verified account on Coinbase. Click on the Get Started button on the top right corner of the home page. Here, you have to fill your first name, last name, email, and then enter a password. Once you've filled up everything, give it a quick check and then accept the user agreement and privacy policy and then click on Create Free Account. On the email that you had just entered while registration, you will receive a verification email in which you need to click to verify your email. Now, just like you had verified your email, you also need to verify your mobile. So, after verifying your account, you need to enter your mobile number. Select your country code from this drop-down menu first, then enter your phone number here, and then click on Send Code. The code will be sent to your mobile number. After the code verification, your account gets verified and activated. The next step towards buying Shiba on Coinbase is to install the mobile application on your mobile device. If you are an Android user, go to the Play Store, or if you are an iOS user, go to the App Store. Search for the Coinbase app and click on Install. Wait for the application to download and get installed as well. Once it is installed, click on Open. Your Coinbase application on your mobile device will open. Click on the Sign In button on the top right corner. Enter your login details and click on the Sign In button. After successfully signing in, you will be redirected to the Coinbase home page where you can see trading options like buy, sell, send, convert, and receive. Scroll down to see your watch list, the top movers, and latest news and announcements from Coinbase. Now, if you click on the Assets tab next to the Home tab, you will see all the assets that you have in your Coinbase account and wallet. To start trading, click on the Trade tab next to the Assets tab. Here you can see new on Coinbase, top movers, and top assets. Scroll down the top assets to see a complete list of available cryptos. Now, let's get to buying Shiba on the Coinbase app. Go to the top of the page and click on the search bar. Here you need to type in Shiba Inu like this and press enter. You will be taken to the Shiba page. Here you can see its current price and its trading graph as well. You can easily change the trading graph according to 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, and all. Scroll down in this page to see your balance and how much of Shiba you hold. Scroll more to see its performance and market statistics. Below the market statistics, you can see the latest news and reviews about Shiba. Now, if you are ready to buy Shiba, click on the trade button here. A pop-up window will open like this, And here you can see that you have two options. One is to buy Shiba and the other is to convert Shiba. If you have any other assets and want to convert it to Shiba, then you need to click on the convert Shiba button. Or else if you want to straight up just go and buy Shiba in cash, click on the buy Shiba button. Here you have to enter how much you want to buy. If you want to make a one-time purchase, then just select this option, which is one-time purchase from this drop-down menu. The next step is you need to select your bank account. Now, once you have entered the amount and you have selected your bank details as well, click on the preview buy button. On this page, as you can see over here, you can see the current price of Shiba, your payment method that you had selected, the purchase amount, the Coinbase fee as well. Yes, there is a Coinbase fee for sure, and the total amount what you have to pay. Just verify everything, give it a quick look, and then finally you can click on the buy now button here. You will be redirected to the payment gateway page where you have to complete the transaction. Once the transaction is successfully completed, you can see your purchased Shiba in your assets tab. So this is how you can buy Shiba on Coinbase. We hope this video helped you. For more such tutorials, stay tuned and stay subscribed.